source of all of our industriousness and wealth, though it's very relative now, began is in these kinds of places. Al's Diesel Incorporated. I imagine they work on the diesel rigs in there, repairs, rebuilding. He's not open today. It's Saturday, Labor Day weekend. We'll go say, hey, Al. There's definitely a lot of this sort of thing around Kalispell, and though I wouldn't necessarily want to bring the wife and camp in this parking lot that much, I mean, it just stirs something in my soul to see these old rigs here. They're all, well, these look like they're running different kinds of electrical trucks, well digging, getting up on the power poles, digging culvert trenches. I mean, it's just industrial. Look at these guys over here. Oh man. Road warrior, man. So it's fun. These towns have a lot of this. And I see a storage tanks over there for some kind of fossil fuel.